students, myself Nissan Dutta aka the coder, and today I will be teaching you how to write an Armstrong number program. An Armstrong number, what is that? Sounds confusing, no? But it's not that. An Armstrong number is a number in which the sum of the cube of the digits is equal to the number itself. And today I will demonstrate you the program of Armstrong number. So here as you can see this is the BlueJ terminal window, so I have to create a class. So I am giving the name Armstrong. So this is the class created. Entire program written default by the Java, so we have to first delete this. Now the class name we have to write. Here I've given the class name Armstrong. Main function we have to write. Now we have to write a scanner class which is needed, and I have already mentioned in my previous videos. If you didn't watch them, please watch them to know the importance of this system.in, which is needed if we have to input something from the user. So now we have to initialize some of the variables needed in the program, like n for taking the number, I for running the loop, d for extracting the digits, and sum which will be initialized at 0, which will be calculating the sum of the digits. So we have to ask the user to input a number. Please enter a number of your choice. So here user will input an integer number because it is an integer variable, and an integer variable will only accept integer numbers. So here the user had given input, so we have to start the loop now. I am using for loop here for extracting the digits. You can use while loop or do while loop, which I will explain in my next videos, upcoming videos. For I equals to n, I less than 0, I equals to I slash 10 for extracting the digits. Now we have to extract it. I less than 10. This is the variable which will store the extracted digits. Now we have to calculate the sum. S equals to S plus bracket open D into D into D, which will calculate the sum of the cube root of the cube of the digits. I'm sorry, not the cube root, it is a cube. So this will store the cube and the sum. So we will come out of the for loop. Now we have to do the if n equals to sum, that whether the number is equal to the sum of the digits, then it is only an Armstrong number. So if it is yes, then we have to write the statement. And if it is false, we have to do in the else block. I'm simply copying this statement. No, it is not an Armstrong number. So as you can see, the entire program is written, so I will compile it now. And here it is, class compile, no syntax error. So this is the BlueJ output terminal window. So here you have seen the message, please enter a number of your choice. So first example, I am input 153. I have given the input as 153. So let's see that whether it is an Armstrong number or not. And here as you can see, yes, it is an Armstrong number. For the second example, I am giving the input as 58. So let's see whether it is an Armstrong or not. And clearly the message has been displayed that no, it is not an Armstrong number. So that was for today, guys. Hope you like this video, and I will be coming with all sorts of new type programs in the next upcoming videos. Thank you. Signing off, Nissan, aka the Coder. Thank you. Have a nice day.